Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in today's video we are going to see how to add maths equation in Google Forms. In my previous video I have shown you how to create Google Forms and how you can prepare quiz, survey, feedback using this interactive Google Forms. But in today's video I am going to show you how you can add maths equation in Google Form in very easy way. Let's see practically how you can do that. Just create a Google form. As I have created a Google form, you can see maths quiz. For example, I want to take up a maths quiz for my classroom. My first question is, what is the Pythagoras equation, and which is true value for that. And now I need to add the equation over here, which is a square plus b square equal to c square. So how to add that? So to add the equation, you have to open the website. This is CodeCox. I'll give the link in the description for your reference, and you just have to add the equation in the box, like as you can see. So let's add the equation. There are n number of options that you can add over here. We need a square symbol. So let's search for it, and yeah, here it is, right. So you have to write a square, right, then plus, again use the same symbol, b square, then equal to 2c square, right. Can you see here the equation that we are trying to write is automatically being generated, so you can see whether it is going right or wrong. Now we have the equation that we want to write. So now have to embed it into Google Form. So for that you need to go down where there is certain options like HTML, URL, latex. These are the different options where you can use this equation and embed it into it. But we are looking for a URL, right? Go to Google Form and you have to paste here. But before that, click on this icon, just go to by URL, copy paste the icon over here and the insert image, right? Now you can see the equation has been inserted. You can even add different options to this, like for example I want to show you to how to add equation in another form, right? This is one form. There is one more form which you can use easily. There's another website which is called as this Equit.io. You just need to add Chrome extension for this website. I'll give this website link in description. You need to open this website and add the extension to Chrome. Let's say add to Chrome, add extension. So once you add the extension, right, it has been downloaded. Now you can see it has been added in our Chrome. Let's refresh it. Now you can see, right, there's a difference. Now you can add equation from here, like for example, one more equation. So once you click on this link, it will open an editor for you, right? You have to sign in with Google. Just say allow, yes. Now once you click on here, you can open this equation editor and you can start writing here, and you can select the symbols. There are n number of symbols provided here. It also provides the handwritten recognition, right? For example, I want to type a square. Can you see it's recognizing my handwriting? So in this way you can now use this equation. Just close it down, add here, right? Now you can use this equation anywhere where you want. Now for example, we can copy here, right? This way you can insert the mathematical equation in easy way using these two websites. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications in field of tech and research. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.